This week on Sailing Zephyr, after having arrived in Borriana, we take the sails down and prepare Zephyr for the winter ahead.
Alright, boat cleaning day.
Bingo in Greek. Bingo.
And Nats continues to explore the amazing sights around Cyprus.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion.
So I've arrived in Borriana at a marina here. We've decided we're going to winter the boat here for the next 4 months for a couple of reasons. One, it's just getting really cold in the Med, and all the nice places we want to see going forward we want to do when it's warm. So, and another reason is we have some boat projects we want to do because we have a lot of miles coming up over the next year, and we need to make some improvements to the boat and some repairs and sort of preventative maintenance. So yeah, we're not normally marina people, and it's an expense we weren't really planning for, but we've decided to suck up the expense and use the opportunity, as I said, to do some boat works. Good chance to visit family for the holidays. We weren't planning on spending Christmas with family this year. We're going to just spend it on the boat ourselves, so it's kind of a nice treat, and it gives us a chance to catch up with all of our patrons too. We have a lot of emails to catch up on. You know, I'm a bit behind on that, and so is Nat. It's just been non-stop storms. Our friends' boats are sinking. It's been, it's been a sort of a roller coaster ride in the Balearics, and we spent way longer there than we intended to. For some reason, whenever you need to clean a boat, you gotta make a lot of mess first before you clean it. Natalie's brother, Brandon, who's come down, that's his backside you see there. But I assure you, he's mucking in. He's drawing out the shower drains. Right. So things we're gonna do inside the boat, we're gonna do the fridge, clean it out, leave it open for storage, clean every surface in the boat. All the linens have to go. We're gonna take all the clothing and all the linens back to Natalie's parents' house and get it all cleaned. I'm gonna go around and close all the through holes in the boat. So I have 9 through holes. We have 2 bathrooms that each have 3 through holes each, and I have 1 for the sink, 1 for the engine, and 1 for the water maker. Yeah, that's all the through holes. So we'll do that, and just tidy up the inside of the boat. The good thing about this part of Spain is the humidity is low, and unlike the Caribbean, mold won't be nearly as big a problem. I'm not really sure what the best way is to leave the toilets over such a long period of time. Obviously my concern would be calcification inside the pipes. The advantage here in the marina is I have access to fresh water, so I'm just going to fill them with fresh water and cycle them through. Let's see how we're getting along. Fridge done, stove done. Brandon's wiping down all of the woodwork, aren't you, buddy? Yeah. What have you done so far?
The bedrooms.
Yeah.
And all of that to here.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
And then I guess just, keep wiping down everything that looked brown. Cool. Bathrooms are done. I'm just drawing up the last little bit of water. And then we'll get started on the outside stuff.
This is going to be the winning ticket. Never mind. Huh? Bingo in Greek. Bingo. Curium Beach behind me. I used to come here as a little girl about 15, 16 years ago. So it's been a while, but here it is. It's pretty much just as I remember, apart from the fact that there's hardly any beach left. So there's a restaurant down there that's pretty much been swallowed up by waves now, and there was so so much beach in front of it before. So yeah. We are here at the archaeological site of Curion. So some more mosaics to see today, and absolutely beautiful day. I can't believe it's nearly December and we've got sun. Look at this. We've got that, and then we've got the ocean views behind. Absolutely amazing. Right behind me here are the steam baths. So they had cold, temperate, and hot, and then steam baths. So the Romans pretty much had it all. So that is spectacular. And you can see how they've mounted those up over there. And that's what's remaining underneath. So just crazy seeing it. So this behind me is a basilica, and it's a Christian basilica dating back to the 5th century AD, and it's constructed on top of the Roman remains. So Romans were here first, and then these guys built the basilica. And there's like a water purification area before you entered. Just spectacular. Look at those views that they would have had. Yeah, beautiful. So this is the theatre we're about to go and see. Straight through here. So this area behind me is the Roman gymnasium. So that's where they would work out. They literally had everything, didn't they? The baths are around the back that way. And I think there's more baths in front of me down that way. So it's just a massive area and they've got pretty much everything. So me and Sheila are just walking around. The weather's changed on us. There's a big black cloud out there. So we better be quick about it. This area behind me is the Gladiator training grounds. So this is where they would come, and then I think this bit over here was the baths afterwards.
Alright, so we mentioned in a previous video that we have a tear in our head sail in the UV protector. We were due to take it down to go and get it repaired, but storms came, so I couldn't take it down. Brandon and I are going to take down the head sail now, and then that way it's good to go to get it repaired. So this should be fun because we've been waiting all day for the wind to calm down, and it hasn't, and it's supposed to, but it hasn't. So it's not too bad, maybe 10 knots. So the problem is the wind is coming from that direction. As soon as we start to take the sail down, it might flutter around a little bit. We'll see how we go. All right. Alright guys, well that's it. We are done. Basically, last few things I did here on top side, obviously we took down the head sail because it's got to go in for repairs. Secured the dinghy so it shouldn't go anywhere. We got fenders on this side in case another boat comes in and moors up next to us. I have actually So I've run a line to the boom just to stop it from swinging, and we've put away the bimini. We're gonna leave the Dodger up. So that's it guys, I'm absolutely getting killed by my allergies right now, but Zephyr is tucked away now until after Christmas. So then she's really gonna get a lot of love, and we're pretty excited to bring you guys some of the projects we're gonna do on her, so stay tuned.
Next week on Sailing Zephyr, I head back to Madrid for the holiday season. I get to see Nats for the first time in what seems like more than a month. We both spend time catching up with family. Zephyr gets a little banged up in the marina, and the festive season officially kicks off.
Consider clicking on us to subscribe to our channel and follow the journey aboard Zephyr.